Wasabi people, welcome to another episode of opening a vintage Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles action figure. And on today's episode, we've got the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles Wacky Action Wacky Walkin Mouser. So, this came out in 1989. If you can see from the view, sold at KB Toy Store, originally $7, $6.99. Went down to clearance for $4.79. Now, in my last episode, I blatantly opened up an old Ninja Turtle. I did feel bad for it, but it was a necessary evil. This one, on the other hand, I don't feel so bad. The reason for that, it did separate from the cardboard backing. So, I'm just going to go ahead and remove it. It blends into my collection much better when loose. So, let's have at it. So I will not be opening this like, let's see, 18, 19. So I was 6 when this came out. My math is right. Yeah, give or take. So we're just going to remove that top shell. Alright, here's the bulk of it. So I guess the idea is you don't wind it. You push this button a few times, and it locks and chomps. Alright, and if you're wondering, I have these two fellas here. They're part of the same series, so I thought they'd be a good addition. Now, his wind-up did stop working. He's pretty trashed. And if I ever do find a replacement, I'll get a replacement. But Leonardo here, he still works just fine. Right, then push button. Maybe. Alright, we'll play with that later. So let's see what else it came with. So right on the top here, so we got some cardboard cutouts of different things a mouser might want, such as rats specifically, maybe some cheese, some turtles. I believe that's roadkill kitties. That made sense to someone at Playmates, but not me. So let's see what else. Probably not going to pop those out. I have no intention of putting those in his mouth. Another fun addition is the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle National Quiz Joke Book number 9. I haven't seen these before. I don't have the first 8. So some questions for you. I'm going to hide the answers and see if you can answer them. Joke's done. Alright, looks like we also got some stickers. I don't see any indication on where these are supposed to go. I guess I'll just set that to the side. Stickers there. Don't need that anymore. Alright, so let's take a look at the other side. So there is a little diagram of the mouser, but it doesn't say where to put the stickers. That he does come with rats and things. Here's the other ones that come in the series. Maybe Leonardo isn't part of this series. But that Michelangelo is definitely this broken Michelangelo. Alright, I guess I could see from this illustration where to put most of these stickers. So the slime goes on the side of the mouth. And there's one. Even a little bit. Oh, middle few. There, that's better. Is that weird? Please just see and picture. But come in. Full shell. That. Those versions. Right here, there. Oh, and screw back. Let's say on even there. My off. Let's stop. It's one smallest. And really, the more it's working. And our friends are regular. Should have. First thing first. What are you? Another guy. That's what I had to answer. Doesn't want to go on. What? That's in. Seriously, getting. I'll keep it. Oh. One. Just. Get good. I didn't realize half this video would just be me putting on stickers, but here we are. So sticker 1, sticker 2. Move the card. Alright, let's see if this thing still walks. Wow. You did not age gracefully. Go, go, go. Almost. I wonder if that's going to break them. No. Alright, let's see if we can get another angle. Oh, got him, Mouser. Almost. Alright, well there you have it. The Wacky Walkin Mouser from the Wacky Action series of Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, 1989. KB Toy Stores. Rest in peace.